Hello everyone. Do you know how many times the oil is reused to prepare your favorite fried snacks like samosa, kachori, jalebi, sev puri, etc.? Do you know food business operators like canteens, restaurants, darshini and dhaba often use the same cooking oil for repeated frying of your favorite snacks? Do you think what you're eating outside is a good and healthy one? Let's go into detail about this. This is a common practice to heat the oil many times irrespective of its nutritional aspects and effect on our health. Lack of awareness is another contributing factor to this malpractice. Repeated frying of oil leads to changes in the nutritional, sensory and physicochemical properties and becomes dark by changing in its consistency. Hence, by looking at this hazard, FSSAI has notified the limit of total polar compounds, that is TPC, to be not more than 25% and beyond that is considered as unsafe for human consumption. Now, what is TPC? In simple terms, TPC is used to measure the quality of oil and it increases with the reheating of oil. The toxicity of these compounds is associated with many health complications like hypertension, atherosclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, liver diseases, etc. Hence, it is important to maintain the quality of oil when using. This can be achieved by avoiding reheating and reuse oil and avoid using leftover oil whenever possible. FSSAI has noticed the Food Safety Standards First Amendment Regulation 2017 with respect to the quality of vegetable oil for repeated frying in the Official Gazette of India. From 1st July 2018 onwards, all food business operators are required to monitor the quality of oil during the frying by complying with the said regulations. The used or fried oil is simply either disposed into the garbage, sewage and sinks. This is an environmental hazard that blocks sewage and drainage system. Hence, FSSAI has launched RUCO, Repurpose Used Cooking Oil, an ecosystem to enable the collection and conversion of used cooking oil into biodiesel. The scenario hasn't changed much presently. FSSAI issued an order directing FPOs including restaurants and manufacturers with the consumption of more than 50 liters of cooking oil per day to mandatorily maintain used cooking oil disposal record and hand it over only to the registered collecting agencies. The purpose of guidelines is to handle and dispose of used oil to safeguard the environment and consumers' health. There have been allegations that used cooking oil generated by bigger restaurants and other FPOs were sold at the cheaper rates to roadside eateries, street vendors, and small operators for further use of frying oil and cooking. With the new regulation coming into effect, the oil generated should only be disposed to an agency authorized by FSSAI. This will reduce dependency on imported crude oil, fight pollution, manage the illegal discharge of crude oil into the drainage system that contaminates water. How to check the TPC of oil? A thermometer like device that measures the polar material or total polar compounds which every food operator should have. It is difficult to implement this regulation, especially for street vendors due to less consumption and lack of knowledge. How this can be achieved? Tie up with approved agencies under Biodiesel Engine Association for collection and disposal of used oil. Create used cooking oil collection process within the organization. Create awareness among the production team. Do not refill the used oil container with the fresh oil. Store it separately. Do not dispose of oil in the drains or sewage. Cooking oil should be filtered after use. To conclude, ROCO will help bring about environmentally sustainable development contributing to energy security. This is a revolution against polluting and exploiting an energy source. An encouragement to biodiesel will help reduce the consumption of fossil fuels and protect our environment. Thanks for watching. Comment, share and do subscribe for more such informative videos.